Hey guys, I'm back with another video, part 2. MG Modz family, this is my part 2 video of the D.I.Y spray paint video on the ep3 seats back there. You see, like I told you in the part 1 video that I was gonna go ahead and spray paint these seats because of the I didn't like the color of the back here, and I'm gonna spray paint over this, but I've got some spray paint over here. It's AutoZone and picked up some Dupli-color fine-on fabric, a flat black color. It's like $10 a can at AutoZone. I'm gonna use that and spray paint these. Hopefully one can will work on both of these seats. We'll see. So yeah, I'm gonna shape this very well, and I'm just gonna do like 2-3 coats on here. Not gonna get into this red part here, but just more so this area. Fuck, wrong way. I was trying out the spray pattern. They say this Dupli-color spray is a little wide, not like regular spray paint. But yeah, just wanted to get a test run. All as simple as nothing to it. Like that. And that's the first coat. I don't know if y'all can see that. And the second coat. I like how it's looking though. You can tell it's not really green anymore. That's funny. As you can see in the background, this is the one that had the most wear than that one. I just started on that one over there, but this one you can tell a big difference using this Dupli-color can, and this is only one can. I'm thinking I might have to use 2 cans for both of these seats, but I'm trying with one to see how good that would do for right now. I'm hoping I can only get by with one, but we'll see. So I finished using 1 can of the Dupli-color on these 2 seats. This was the one that wasn't wear, but this one had wear. I coated this one pretty good. I need to go to the store and get another can because this one is, you can still see some of the spots I missed, and I want to do another coat. And this one probably go over it one more time, but this one definitely needs some more. So I'm gonna go run up the AutoZone. So definitely 2 cans is a must for this project. So I went to AutoZone, picked up another can of vinyl fabric Dupli-color. As you can see, this is the one I first started on. Put a lot of coats on there, I think. Give it a nice black color. This one still needs some more, as you can see some of the spots I missed. But this one, you could definitely tell like it's a lot darker than this one because I pretty much used most of the can on this one, and I try to use whatever's left on that last can for that one. So now I got a whole new can. Should definitely do the job. All right, guys, I finished this seat over here and added a little bit more coats to this one, and I think pretty much they match. Copacetic on both sides. Can't really tell one has more than the other, but they really turned out pretty nice. Comment down below what y'all guys think, how this D.I.Y went, and how you guys think that the Dupli-color works. I personally feel like, in my opinion, the Dupli-color works great. The results look pretty good. I can't even tell anymore that it used to be green. It definitely matches the outside, because I only was spraying this area here, but it definitely blends in. The charcoal black is the matte black is the color that the can said it was, but it definitely blends in with the seat. I think these are gonna look real nice in the EM2 over there. But the next video is gonna be a part 3 of the install. I'm gonna be doing the seat rail swaps on my EM2 seat rails onto the ep3 seats, so stay tuned for that video. All right, MG Mod fam, that's it for part 2. I hope you guys liked this video. I thought it was pretty fun D.I.Y, so it's pretty cheap project. I think 2 cans, $14. Can't beat it. Yeah, so look at them seats. Man, they look so good. Oh my gosh, I can't wait for that in the EM2. But that's gonna be part 3, the install video. But make sure you like and subscribe if you want to be a part of the MG Mod family. And catch you in the next one. Peace.